Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a small game in Construct 3 um, by just showing you how to make things like sprites and some basic gameplay functionality in order to make a small little 2D game. This is mainly aimed at my level 2 students in order to pass their interactive design module that they have with me. So, first thing you need to do is go over to construct.net, which should take you to this website. You can just Google Construct 3 and you'll be able to find it. You'll end up on this page. I'd recommend making an account and signing into that. And then once you've done that, we can do launch Construct 3, launch the guided tour, and then when you get this pop up, press no thanks, not now. Now, on this screen, you'll see that I've got some projects here, but you probably won't have anything just yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to press new, and we're going to give our project a name. So I'm just going to call this my project, and I'm going to call it. I'm actually going to call mine my project 3 because I've got a couple of these already. You don't need to change any of these other settings. We can just press create. Now you'll see at the beginning we just get started with a blank layout that has nothing on it. It's just a white background. This is where we'll put all of our game objects and sprites and whatnot. On the left-hand side, we have a properties tab, which gives us all kinds of options for whatever we've got selected. Right now, because there's nothing in our game, it's just sort of giving us options for our layout. But when we start adding things like our player sprite, it'll give us a load of options that we'll explore sort of later on. On the right-hand side, we have our project files, where all of our sprites and other objects, things like audio and particles and stuff will go. Down here, we have our tile map and our layers tabs, which we'll explore in further tutorials. At the bottom, we have this asset browser. Feel free to explore this and have a look at the assets, although I'd recommend sort of making your own things. I'm not going to use this asset browser at all in these tutorials, so I'm just going to go ahead and press this X button to get rid of that. Now that we've got a project, I want you to come up to Menu, Project, and then Save As single file. And when you'll get a window that pops up, and you'll be able to choose where you want to save this. You should navigate to your OneDrive, and hopefully you'll have a Construct Projects folder already. But if not, you can create one and then just save a project in there. So I'm just going to call mine my project 3. You name yours whatever you'd like.